How to change the camera in Tella. Once in Tella, you're going to select either the browser option or you can select the app option. I prefer to use the app, so I'm going to open the app. Once you have opened the app, you're going to see a window pop up, as you can see right here. From here, to change the camera, you have two options. Right below the red dot, you can tap on the camera name that you will see right there, and you could select the camera that you would like to use. So you have two different cameras, as I'm using my Mac. So I could either use the FaceTime camera or I can use the other camera right there. Another option that you could also look into to change the camera is by tapping on the three dots. After selecting the three dots, you'll tap on settings. Then from there, you'll see camera and you can change the camera quality. You can also change the microphone quality. And if we were to tap on general, after selecting general, you can see different options right here that you can also quickly edit. So those are the options that you get when it comes onto Tella. It's actually quite beginner friendly and easy to use. Again, you can tap right here to change the camera. You can also select the microphone that you like to use by tapping on the microphone name. Thanks for watching. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative.